How to download reports via Uber Eats Manager. Reporting with an Uber Eats Manager gives you more control and more transparency in store performance, while providing more insights with the detailed summaries of your business performance. From the homepage, navigate to the Reports tab. Here you can request reports by hitting Create Report on the top right corner. Reports are divided in 3 areas: Payments, Operations, and Feedback. In Payments, you'll find reports on payment details and a payout summary. In Operations, you'll find reports on order history and accuracy, top inaccurate items or orders, and downtime. In Feedback, you'll find reports on customer and delivery feedback and menu item feedback. You can select multiple reports to download at the same time. Once the desired reports are selected, request a one-time report or schedule it on a recurring basis. If you own more than one store, Uber Eats Manager allows you to set which stores to include in the report. Next, select the date range for your report. Finally, hit Create Report and receive an email when your report is ready. You can also access the report in the Available section of the Reports tab in Uber Eats Manager. Reporting within Uber Eats Manager gives you more control, transparency, and insight into your business. Open Uber Eats Manager to get started.